Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology Java developer. The company is Sugar India. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for 3 to 5 years of experience candidate with the bachelor's degree qualification. They are in need of good communication skills, writing excellent problem solving capabilities, and teamwork. It's needed. And professional degree or master degree in computer science or information technology is equivalent. The second technology is .NET developer for the company OptimHire. The location is Bangalore. The key responsibilities are develop and maintain enhanced .NET application and services to contribute to our legacy and cloud platforms as needed. And the education required is MCA, BCA, BTech, BE. The required experience is 3 to 5 years. The third technology is software licensing project developer for the company Honeywell. The location is Bangalore. The roles and responsibilities are design and develop, build and optimize Flexa applications to meet organization requirements. The key skills must be 2 to 5 years of minimum professional experience in software licensing industries with successful software licensing project implementations is required. The fourth technology is Python developer for the company Gharondaa Advisor Private Limited. The location is Bangalore. The experience needed is 5 plus years. The location is Bangalore, Pune role, and the responsibilities are skilled development with the profound knowledge of Python and its ecosystem. And the education must be BSc in computer science, engineering, or relevant field. The fifth technology is senior .NET developer for the company SAAKRUN. The location is Bangalore. The education qualification must be bachelor's degree in equivalent in computer science, information technology, engineering, or related field. And the interview round will be two rounds of virtual and 1 round of face-to-face. And the experience there is 5 to 8 years. And the roles and responsibilities are develop and support .NET web application and SQL Server, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and C#. The translate application storyboard to and use cases into functional applications is required. The links will be given in the video descriptions and apply for these jobs. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.